Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to hide the search icon on taskbar in Windows 10. So this is very easy to hide. So first you need to right click on your taskbar empty area and you see this search. So just click on search and click on hide. So you see this is hide. Again I will show you, just right click on your taskbar empty area and search bar, click on search, then hide. So this way you can hide search icon on taskbar. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.